All right, today I will be unboxing the SCUF Omega PlayStation 5 wireless controller. Comes in a nice carrying case, accessories, and we got the manual. We got 3 different joysticks, some long ones, a concaved one, and a dome one, and then a short one. Nice braided USB A to C cable. Nice mouse click buttons. Mouse click back paddles. Trigger stops with mouse clicks. Very similar to their PC version of this controller, which I also have. And then in here, what do we have in here? And then the dongle receiver. I'm assuming this is an attachment right here. Okay, yeah. So the USB-C doesn't pull out. And then if you don't want to use the back buttons, you can replace them with these. And then this comes off. And then you can change it between wireless, USB, or Bluetooth, or PC, PS5. So I'm going to go ahead and replace this one. And there we have it. The SCUF Omega PS5 controller.